Want to grow your own food or create a relaxing green space, but have no clue where to start? Well, stick around because in this video, we'll break down gardening for beginners into 3 easy steps. No fancy tools, no overwhelming jargon. And hey, if you love learning simple life skills like this, tap that subscribe button and let's grow together. Growing your own food means fewer pesticides, fresher taste, and higher nutrients. Studies from universities like Princeton show gardening reduces stress and boosts mood. A single tomato plant can yield 10 to 15 pounds of tomatoes. That's real savings. First, check your USDA plant hardiness zone. Just Google it with your zip code. It tells you what plants will thrive in your area. Most vegetables and flowers need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily, but leafy greens can tolerate partial shade. Good soil is dark, crumbly, and smells earthy. Test kits from garden centers help check pH and nutrients, and most veggies like a pH between 6 and 7. Even a small patio, balcony, or windowsill can grow herbs or small veggies in containers. Step 1 is choosing what to grow. Some of the easiest starter crops are herbs like basil, parsley, and mint, vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and radishes, and flowers such as marigolds and zinnias, which are great for pollinators. Also, consider your climate. Cool season versus warm season crops, like lettuce in spring or fall and tomatoes in summer. Alright, let's move on to step 2, preparing your planting area. If you're gardening directly in the ground, you'll want to remove any weeds, loosen the soil about 8 to 12 inches deep, and mix in some compost or aged manure. For those using raised beds, these are honestly much easier on your back, and they're fantastic for controlling the quality of your soil. And if you're planting in containers, just make sure your pots have drainage holes. Oh, and be sure to use potting mix instead of garden soil so you can avoid compaction and keep your plants happy. Step 3 is planting and watering. So first things first, always follow your seed packet instructions. Depth and spacing really do matter. When it comes to watering, remember to water deeply but less frequently, because that encourages your plants to grow deep, strong roots. The best time to water is in the morning so you don't lose moisture to evaporation. And oh, don't forget about mulching. Adding mulch like straw or bark chips helps your soil hold on to moisture, keeps weeds down, and even improves the soil over time. Let's talk about some maintenance musts. Check your plants daily. Look out for pests, dry soil, or yellowing leaves just to stay ahead of any issues. Feed your plants with organic fertilizers like compost tea or those store-bought organic blends every few weeks. It really helps them thrive. And make pruning and harvesting a regular thing. Prune to encourage new growth and try to harvest your fruits or veggies when they're ripe. It actually helps your plants produce even more. Now, here are a few common mistakes beginners make. Overwatering is a big one. It can cause root rot, so always check if the top inch of soil is dry before you water again. Another thing is ignoring spacing. Crowded plants end up competing for everything and just don't do as well. And honestly, starting too big can be overwhelming. It's totally okay to start small. Just a few pots or a single garden bed is plenty to learn and enjoy. That's gardening made simple. Start with a small space, pick easy plants, and don't stress about the mistakes. They're honestly part of the fun. If you're feeling ready to get your hands dirty, drop a sprout emoji in the comments to let me know you're starting your garden journey. And hey, why not share this video with a friend who could use a new hobby? Let's grow together. See you in the next one.